How do we engage different stakeholders to achieve sustainable peace within communities that are facing conflict, climate-induced situations? During these drought-induced conflicts or climate-induced conflicts, the communities move from wherever they live into the camps, and sometimes they're not able to access food for a very long time.
Two things that motivate young people to engage in what they do. One is the passion, and the second thing is what am I getting from this? Young people serve as the bridges between the past, the present, and the future generations, and which speaks to the need to engage young people in the design of policies and practice when it comes to addressing climate change.
And now I'd like to invite Joyce, who will share with us how we can encourage the integration of this traditional indigenous knowledge that is within communities across Africa.
When we raise the context for valuing our indigenous knowledge, it is important to adapt certain scientific theories in practice that in a way that people will understand.
For us as Youth Bridge Foundation, it's important that indigenous knowledge from young people especially are something that is valuable to the things that we talk about when we want to address climate change. And then it's important that we find ways of making sure that, yes, they are indigenous knowledge, but they are knowledge that inform the decisions that we couch in spaces like this.
Would you care to tell us some of the initiatives that you're part of that speak to nature-based solutions, and what information you think your projects are having on a community level?
Advocacy, we want to make a difference. Inclusivity. Action. Youth-driven.
Youth-driven, and for me it's finance.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Getting to hear the stories of people from a personal perspective is kind of encouraging, considering the fact that I'm in the same field of nature-based solutions, but for school kids. My take home is that you can start anywhere, and whatever you consider to be a solution doesn't really have to align with other people's solution. Whatever you can do in your area, you don't need to be the Wangari Maathai of your society. Like, you don't need to have a Nobel Peace Prize for you to actually make an impact. Your impact could actually change the lives of 10 people, and that makes a greater difference than actually not doing anything at all.